Hi everybody, today's focus is appliance maintenance. So it's been a while since I've actually conducted any maintenance on my appliances. It's just one of those things that usually slips my mind. So today I'm going to go through my appliances and do some general maintenance on them. When I do maintenance on my appliances, I find the manufacturer's booklet and look there to see what sorts of things I should be doing. So that's what I am going to do today. So let's get started doing some maintenance on household appliances. So the first thing I'm going to do is wipe down the exterior of the wash machine using a glass cleaner and also Sal Suds all-purpose spray. In order to clean the interior of this washing machine, the manufacturer suggests that you run the bulky cycle with bleach at least once a month. So you want to make sure there's nothing inside the washing machine. Pour 1 cup of bleach into the basket or the bleach dispenser. Close the lid, select the bulky cycle, and press start. After the basket clean bulky cycle is complete, I like to wipe down the inside of the wash machine drum with a cloth just to get any residual dirt left behind. This dryer is actually connected via Wi-Fi to an app, and on the app I can choose a vent health diagnostic test. So let's run that now. So I open up the app and I have it ready on my phone, and I just follow the directions to make sure that the drum is empty, make sure the lint screen is clean, close the dryer door, and hit the start button. And the test will take about 2 minutes. When the test is done, I just take a look at the app and it says that my vent health status is complete and normal. I'm going to wipe down the exterior of the dryer using a glass cleaner as well as a Dr. Bronner's all-purpose spray. We're going to make sure that the lint filter is clean. Let's see how much debris is inside the lint filter area. So we can see there is a bunch still in there, so I'm going to take my vacuum cleaner dryer hose attachment and vacuum out as much as I can. So the maintenance for my upstairs washing machine is similar to the downstairs washing machine. I'm going to wipe the exterior with glass cleaner and Sal Suds all-purpose spray. Next, I'm going to remove the soap dispenser. This one is much older than the other one and definitely has a lot of residue stuck on it. I clean it the best I can and replace it. I do like to stick my head inside the wash machine and check the areas that the water level isn't going to reach. Oftentimes there's some lint and dirt and grime up higher in the basket drum than the water can reach. So I like to get a cloth and wipe that and try to wipe away as much dirt and grime as I can. I don't want any mold or mildew growing here, so I do like to wipe this area. Now for my upstairs wash machine, it's similar to the other washing machine where you add a cup of bleach into the bleach dispenser, select basket clean, and let the wash machine run. After the basket clean is complete, I like to wipe down the inside of the wash machine drum with a cloth just to get any residual dirt left behind. Now for the dryer, I'm going to do the same thing as before. I'm going to wipe the exterior with the glass cleaner and Sal Suds all-purpose spray. I'll take out the lint filter, clean that. Let's take a look inside the lint filter. We can see a lot of lint still stuck down there. So I'm going to use my dryer lint vacuum hose attachment to get rid of all that extra lint. Now for the dishwasher, there's not a lot of dishwasher care that the manufacturer suggests in the manual. One of the things it does suggest is that sometimes over time detergents can leave residue on the dishware or also inside the dishwasher. I actually am not seeing that. If you see that, you can use a product like a Fresh, it says, dishwasher cleaner to remove the residue. They do suggest monthly use of a Fresh dishwasher cleaner is recommended to help maintain the dishwasher. However, I have not done that. I might do that next time I clean it, but this time I'm not. So to clean the exterior and the interior of this dishwasher, I'm going to use Sal Suds all-purpose spray. I do get some food residue buildup on the sides of the dishwasher. I think that's just from when you place things in the dishwasher. Some, food residue can spill off the edge of the plate, but it comes off easily with the Sal Suds in a white cloth. Next, I'll remove the bottom tray, wipe down the inside of the dishwasher, remove the spinny thing. I actually don't even know what you call this, but we're going to rinse that out in the sink. And remove the filter. So the filter gets clogged with food residue, so it's important that we remove this and clean this out. After they're cleaned, I just replace them. Now the top spinny thing, I was unable to detach. So I don't know if it's not able to come out or if I was just missing something, but I wasn't able to disconnect it. The exterior is just stainless steel, so again, I'm just going to wipe it down with Sal Suds all-purpose spray. So it's important that we take care of our washers, our dryers, and our dishwashers and conduct the proper maintenance on them so that they can work properly. Now, I read in most of those manuals you should be doing this once a month. I'll be honest, I most certainly do not do this once a month, but it is something that I should get in the habit of. Usually with my washing machine, I'll be like, ooh, I smell something. And that's when I'm like, oh, I should do a basket clean cycle. It would be way better if I could just get in the habit of, hey, once a month, boom, that we will clean these out and give them a good cleaning, because I'm relying on my washer, my dryer, my dishwasher to clean my clothing, sheets, towels, and dishes and glassware. So it's important that they are clean themselves in order to be able to properly clean my items. One thing I haven't done is add a fresh tablet that the dishwasher manual suggests. So maybe next month I will run my dishwasher with the fresh cleaning tablet, and I can just pin a comment here down below as how it went. Now, do you do this maintenance on your appliances once a month? Or are you like me, where you do it once every maybe 3 or 4 months, or whenever you remember? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Have yourselves a great day.